Rice all over the car seat? No problem. This mini vacuum cleans it up in seconds. Clean, fast, and satisfying. Would you try it?